I want to tell you about a little tool that I discovered that I think will have great potential for educators or anyone that's trying to organize their thoughts. So that tool is a mind map inside NotebookLM. Let's take a look. So if I go into one of my notebooks, there is a new tool called mind map. Let's see what it does. So it is now generating a mind map, and because I have so many sources, it may take a little while. And it is ready. Click to open the mind map. So here we go. I tripped upon this. I think this is absolutely fascinating what it can do. Let's dive in further. What do we get when we click on this? So it shrinks, but I want it kind of large scale. So I can reduce or expand. I can increase the size, plus and minus, and I can move it around my screen. From here, we are going to zoom in a little bit. And if we wanted to know about implementing AI workflows, what do we got? And here are the steps. Measuring success, very nice. So definitely works like a mind map, one that's generated. One of the additional features to this is you can export this. So here it is as a PNG file, and if I click on that, so here is that mind map as an image. Everything that was expanded. There does not look like a way to expand everything at once, and you probably have to reduce this to get everything on the screen that you need. So let's try it again. All right, so everything that you expand will show up on the screen. Lots of potential for the classroom. I'm pretty excited about this, that you could take a variety of resources for a module or portion of instruction that you're working with, pour it into NotebookLM, and then create a useful tool like a mind map to help students. This is good stuff. Thanks for watching.